Welcome to Mr. How To. Today we are going to see the Vlookup for every search value. This is a formula which we use to find out the corresponding value with the given entities. So here you can see there are two columns basically, the name 1 and name 2. The name consists of all the names of the brands. Okay, Peter England, Raymond, Hussein, Zodiac Shirts, Park Avenue Parks, Pills Lifestyle Shirts, Alan Solly, John Players, and Louis Philippe. And the another column name 1 consists of all numerical values. And now we have to find out the corresponding values of these name 1 which are there in name 1 like this. So now you have the input of Raymond and you have to find out the corresponding value which is there in your table array. So for that we are going to use the VLOOKUP as we all know. So you will get this formula in the Excel itself. So you just click equal sign and then write VLOOKUP. As you can see, there is a suggestion already for the same. And then now you are going to see here how they have written the lookup value, the table array, index, and the number. So now you're looking for this Raymond, then your table array. So you are going to select these two columns basically. Okay, instead of going for the numbers, I would recommend to select whole two columns. So it will be better for you to look up for the table array value. Then these corresponding value stands next to these value immediately. So if it is a number 1 column, if I say, so this will be your number 2 column. So I will write number 2 here as I want the corresponding value for this input, and then comma 0 by default. So close this and you will get the value, right? Now drag this and let's see whether it is giving so it is not giving the value for all other results as well. So where it went wrong. So this is what many people find the difficulty in. So now today we are going to see like why this is happening. So before going to that, you just have to make sure that whatever your data is, you just have to go to the data, then your text columns. In this case, you have to go to the data, okay? Then your text columns. All right, there is showing some an error. So just let's fix this. Microsoft cannot convert only one column at a time. The range can be many rows tall, but no more than one column wide by selecting columns in one column only. Okay, all right. So we'll just select one column here. Okay, we'll use the delimited value. Then we'll use this none and then go text. Then we'll select text and then finish it off. Okay. Similarly, you will do this text to the columns, then delimited, then your none value for the text qualifier, then going for the text and then finish. All right. Now what you're going to do is that many times there are hidden spaces inside it. So what you have to do, you have to use the trim function over there like this. All right. Just drag it there. Okay. Copy this and paste it like in a number. All right. So similarly, you use the trim function over here for the numbers as well. All right. Just drag this, copy this, and paste it like this. All right. So now still you are not getting the value. So we have made one arrangement by going to the data and text to the columns. Now next arrangement we are going to see is you have to do the arrangements here. You have to type semicolon, asterisk, semicolon, and then again add semicolon, asterisk, and semicolon. Just close this. Now you see you will get all the values for this. See why this is happening? Did you identify this? See the Raymond and here the Raymond is the exact match, but for this case Hussein, it comes after Van, so it is not an exact match. So VLOOKUP was not giving a value. right? Corresponding value. So by due to this, it's also giving you the values for the partial matches. Even if the you see lifestyle is in between these two words, bills and shirts, still it is giving you the value there, corresponding value, which is 9. So hope you like this, and tell me how you liked it, and you want anything additional to it, just let me know on this. So keep watching Mr. How To. Thank you.